Hello, in this video I'm going to learn the coding for adding an image to my web page. As per the instructions in my book, I've saved the image I wish to use in my coding folder where I keep my HTML coding template. The image is called Logo and it's a PNG file. Now I've opened my HTML coding document from the last video. To add an image to my web page, I'm going to use the image tag. The image tag is a self-closing tag, and a source attribute must be included within the image tag. This tells the browser where to find the image. I set the value of the source attribute to the image file name using the equals sign and double quotes. In my case, it's logo.png. And this is what the code looks like now in the web browser. Yes, it's still a very basic web page, but once again there is a visual improvement from the last time, and I'm still understanding everything I've learned so far. In the next video, I'll learn how to name the image that I've added to my web page. If you want to see how I progress learning coding, then please do subscribe and let's see what happens.